Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be doing our July BOXYCHARM unboxing. I have my box here. I don't know why it looks teeny tiny compared to the other boxes from every other month. I don't know what happened. Like this is like how the OG boxes looked back in the day, and then they got a lot bigger, so I'm kind of confused on why it's so tiny. Unless I'm crazy, I could just be crazy, but I have no idea. BOXYCHARM doesn't communicate anything to me, so I have no idea what's going on. So it looks like the theme this month is Dare to Dazzle, and it looks like there is a colorful abstract imaging on there. So we're really doing more of an unboxing this time and less of a try-on. I'm going to try on like one or two things, but for the most part, it wasn't really stuff that we could try on. So there is a Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Illuminating Primer for $40. Now this is something I didn't bother trying on because primers are so hard to see on camera. It's almost like there's no point. But Laura Mercier is a really, really good brand, and this is a really good product to get in the brand. So for those of you who have tried Laura Mercier before, you know how good that brand is. So that is something that we don't have to worry about. One thing that I am going to try on is the lipstick that we got in here. This is the Zoeva Pure Velours Lip, and it is a matte liquid lipstick, I think. Soft as velvet, ultra creamy formula. Okay, it's not. Oh, it is matte. Yes, it is. Matte velvet. $15. 100% free of any animal-derived ingredients. I'm just going to put on a quick Gerard Cosmetics. Well, I guess it's not going to be quick because I have to sharpen it. Okay. Mine is in the shade Clear Message. That's kind of a cute shade. And it looks like a true rose with a little hint of like peach. Let's see. Oh, it's a really beautiful color actually. Applicator is long and flat, makes it really easy to put on. I'm going to do a vlog soon about my new lip injections. They just look so good. And it makes lipstick so easy to apply. It's kind of strange, but I'm really in love with this color. It's really nice. Honestly, the last couple of years, I've been getting more into colors like this on my skin tone. I didn't used to like them because I felt like they blended into my skin tone too much. But I think now that I have skin cancer and I can't get really dark, it contrasts better with my more pale complexion. So let's go ahead and see what is next. We have the Maplum Eye Cream with vitamin C and quinoa extract. $40 for this teeny tiny thing. I don't know how I feel about it when we get tiny stuff like this in our box. Like, you guys know I love to get skincare because I won't buy it myself. But to get something tiny like this, and again, I actually recall getting something similar before because I made a comment about how it looked like something that you would take home from a hotel bathroom. And I feel like it's not safe. Like, this is $40 and this is not safe in my bathroom because I'm gonna, like, throw it out or something. You know what I mean? But we do love a good eye cream, and it's small, so we'll use it and get it out of the way, I guess, and move on to the next one. The next thing that I see is Floss Beauty Cheek and Lip Tint, $22. Hydrating cheek and lip tint for an effortless, beachy vibe. Mine is in the shade Sandals. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is actually like the cutest packaging ever. It says Floss. Oh, okay, so it screws off. And this is what it looks like. So I'm scared, but oh, okay, it's literally like a balm. That's actually, look, it's pretty similar to the lip shade. So something like this, I'm kind of scared to do this, but I'm just patting it on. I already powdered, so really you should not put it on top of powder. I don't know if it's even doing any. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, you can see the color right there. I don't know if that was the smartest choice for me to do when I already had makeup on. But it's a beautiful choice of shade. Like, this is a really nice blush shade. I never wear blush, but if I do, I tend to go for a color like this. Something that is like the natural flush of your face, you know, like a mauve-y color. So that actually, I think that looks okay, especially given the fact that I just put it on top of my makeup and you're not supposed to. Yeah, very subtle, but nice. And again, it screws back on. Really like the packaging of that. Let's see. This is the Skin Regimen 1.5 85 HA booster, $115. What? A hydrating serum with a concentrate of 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, micro, macro, and cross-linked to infuse the skin, lock in moisture, and restore optimal levels of hydration. Again, for me personally, at least, you guys know I have really dry skin. So I always love something like this. I can't believe that's $115. That's what I like BOXYCHARM for. For the skincare that's expensive, that I wouldn't buy myself, that's actually a decent size. So I'm happy with that. But sometimes I do wonder about the people who have oily skin, because I feel like we always get things for dry skin, and I never filled out the survey, so they don't know that I have dry skin, so I don't know. The last thing is a Marc Jacobs At Lash Lengthening and Curling Mascara, $27. You guys know how I feel about mascaras as well. They're all the same to me because I have lash extensions. Ooh, that is the cutest packaging ever, though. It looks like a Sephora bag. So let's see what the wand looks like, though. Okay, the wand looks pretty nice, just like a thinner wand, so it's going to be good for the lower lashes. I already have mascara on, so I really don't need to try it. My lash extensions, oh, my lash girl went on vacation, so they're hurting a little bit. So that is it. That's all we got in our box, for July. I like it. When I took a quick look at it, I didn't think there was enough makeup in it, but there is. We have the primer, we have the lipstick, we have a lip and cheek tint, and we have a mascara. And then we've got 2 skincare products. So I actually think it's fair. I'm more happy with it than I thought I was going to be. For some reason, you guys could probably tell when I started the video, I was kind of like, because I was just like not feeling it. But once I actually dipped into the stuff, especially the lipstick, I love a good lipstick, and one good lipstick will make my whole, the whole box worth it to me. And I think this is really beautiful, so I would definitely be willing to try out more Zoeva. I don't think I've ever tried their liquid lipsticks before. It's matte, it's extremely comfortable. There's no creasing in it. You can't see the fine lines in my lips, which is something that matte lipsticks struggle with. Usually they fall into your pores, and this, look how smooth my lips look. Very nice. So I'm happy with it. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you got in your box, what you tried out, and how you like it. I appreciate you guys so much. I think I'm going to film a story time video after this, so you will finally be seeing more. Whoa. I hate my arms, they're so fat. Okay. Anyways, I think I'm going to film a story time after this, so you will be seeing more of me soon, finally, okay? Give this video a thumbs up for me. I will be responding to you guys down below. Bye.